All right, well, today we got us a new little project. I'm gonna change the media resin in my whole house filter. I have really high iron in my water, and I actually have to do this pretty regularly. I'm trying to figure out ways to minimize the changes and increase the flow. I might try a little something different on this one. Stay tuned and we'll see. Let's see what happens. All right, so I already have this on bypass. The next step is going to be to unscrew these on each side, pull this out, spin the head off, dump everything out on the inside, rinse it out real good, put the new gravel and resin in it, and then hook it back up. I gotta unplug this here, and we'll start unscrewing. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna take my razor knife and I'm just gonna go in between the cracks and kind of cut out any buildup without breaking the tube. Just like that all the way around. All right, so when you go to fill it back up, you're gonna need one of these funnels that go inside there like this. But before you do it, you need to cover your distributor tube with a piece of duct tape. You don't want to make it to where you can't get it off of there either, so you leave a little tab. That way you can kind of snatch it off of there when you're done. We're gonna add our gravel in here. This is 15 pounds. I've been adding 15 pounds, and from what I'm reading, I'm only supposed to be putting in about 10. So I might do half, which would be 7.5. So we'll try that out. If that don't work, then I'm gonna adjust this because I gotta get this right. This water has been a problem of mine since I bought this house. And I've hired people in the past to come do this, and I'm doing exactly what they were doing and never had any luck with them. And every time they come out, they break something. So I figure if I got to keep paying for them to break something, I'm going to pay to learn how to do it myself. So stay tuned. Here we go. All right, this bag right here is 1 cubic foot. I've been going with 1 cubic foot. They say to fill it up about 2/3 of the way. 1 cubic foot damn near fills it all the way up. So I'm probably gonna fill it up halfway, look at it. And if it looks like I need to add a little more, I'm gonna add a little more. But they want you to leave a little space in the tank for the resin to expand during backwashing. So that way it doesn't all, blow out of your drain tube and you're wasting it practically. And then you're also restricting flow by overfilling it. So let's go ahead and try that out. All right, I got it about 2/3 full, which is about 3/4 of that bag. And I pulled the tape off. Make sure you pull your tape off. The tape is to keep the resin from going down into your distributor tube while you're filling it. Now I'm about to put the top on and screw it in place. All right, it's in place. I'm gonna snug it up a little bit. It's not gonna go too tight. Probably good enough. All right, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna slide this back into place. Now would be a good time to check or change your O-rings. This is gonna be more than likely where your leak is gonna come from, is one of your O-rings when you put this back together. I just recently changed mine. They look good. They're still round. They're not flat. They're not hard. So I think they're good to go. About to put it back together. All right, I got my clips back on, screwed in. This is plastic behind here, guys. You do not have to tighten that real tight, just snug. Your O-ring is gonna do all the sealing. If you over tighten that, you're gonna break that. And that head right there is about 300 bucks. So just snug this in place. All right, I got my timer plugged in. I got it back on service. Took it off a bypass, put it on service. The tank is filling up now. Hopefully this will improve my water flow and I'll be able to get a little more life out of this media. If not, I'm gonna try a different kind. I think it's called Kettlelox Light. It's supposed to have more surface area and it's not supposed to be as dense. If any of you pros out there got any advice, please leave it down in the comment section. I'm always open to learn more. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. Until next time.